So we're going to go and have a look at a Hampton style home. So as soon as you walk in, you've got your dark hardwood floors. Ooh, okay, oh, awesome. So it's got the paneling up on the ceiling, your fireplace, and then it's got a dining table here. So trying to figure out whether must have 2 dining areas. Love the color scheme, love that artwork. And it's a very large house, this one here. So this is the hallway. You've got gorgeous wallpaper across, lovely pendants, and you can see straight through as well. So this is the view from the actual kitchen area. So you look straight onto the living area here and your outdoor area. And I think that's I forgot the name of this. This is the tin. Oh no, it's tiles. It is tiles. So you've got your feature tiles here. And then coming across here, you go into the butler's pantry. Okay, wow. Great size butler's pantry. Straight through here. I love homes that have the window and you can look outside. Just imagine if you had a beautiful view through here. And let's have a look what's in here. I guess that's probably the laundry area. Yep. So you've got your laundry through here. Lots of cupboard space. Let's go back out. Come straight across. I love these cane chairs, but the best feature of this house, guys, is this area here. Look out! So imagine staying out here, either summer days, winter days, it doesn't matter, because you've got the most awesome fireplace straight across here. So how awesome. Love this stone wall. Got your fireplace through here. Beautiful barbecue area. So yes, I'll take it. What do you guys think? Beautiful. So hey babe, do you reckon that's where the TV goes? I'm trying to figure out if that's a TV room or not. Yep. So go through there. How beautiful is this dining area? Absolutely adore. Cane chairs. Very elegant with the black and white theme sort of throughout the house. Beautiful lighting. And this kitchen is beautiful classic white kitchen. Overall, absolutely adore the layout of this home and just this outdoor area with the fireplace. Stunning. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's go upstairs. Take you through if I can find. Okay, here. So this is the TV area here. And I don't understand what that extra dining sort of room. I guess this would be sort of classified as your formal dining area. But to be honest, I usually love gathering around the kitchen, so that's where I would be, even with friends, that's where I'll be staying. So kind of a little bit of a wasted space, but let's go check out upstairs. Love this large window. They've got beautiful wallpaper. There's my number 1.
And there's a room right
and there's my number 2.
There's a room right next to you if you want to.
There is. We'll go have a look. Hold on. As soon as you turn left, you go. Okay, beautiful. So this looks like one of the spare rooms. Beautiful blue and white decor with gorgeous. It's got like sort of grey shimmering specks. You can't really see it through the camera. Come back around this way and you've got your walk-in cupboard and bathroom through here. Oh, it's got my favorite tiles. Okay, so you've got Beautiful marble fish scale tiles. Basically on all this wall here that travels through into the shower area. And then you've got a gorgeous large round window. Okay, I'll come back around so you can see it through this way. Let's go have a look at the other bedrooms. Another spare bedroom. All with walk-in robes and all with en-suites. Okay, I see a pattern, guys. So even though this is not the fish scale, it's still got the marble tiling. And then your little toilet. And it's got that gorgeous sort of classic coastal feel to it. Okay, so I think we're going towards the main bedroom. Love this mirror. That must be a spare bedroom. We'll check that out after. Let's go and have a look at the main bedroom. Okay, whoa. Okay, this is huge. Beautiful walk-in cupboard. Is that the walk-in cupboard? Yeah, I think so. Coming across here. Okay, whoa. Okay. Huge master bathroom. Does this have a door? I guess it's got the potential of putting a door in if you don't like it open. Oh, love the herringbone tiles. His and hers. Gorgeous bathtub. Huge shower. And my number one rule, toilet with a door. Thank God. Okay, coming around here. Oh, beautiful spindle chair. Oh, how beautiful. And so you've got, wow, love the pendant lights. So this is the master bedroom. And as a feature wall, they've got wood paneling. So almost like a floor sort of look. But on the wall, coming across here, you've got my wannabe model over there. Gorgeous wallpaper. And across this way, you've got your balcony through here. Now this house, guys, is massive. So not a little house. They're happy. Straight across here. Got another spare bedroom. I think all these bedrooms have got en-suites. And they've got the fish scale tiles going on through here in the spare bathroom as well. Toilet. Here you've got a lovely sitting area as well. And there's that wooden feature wall that's in the master bedroom. Overall, it's a pretty amazing looking home.